Hello, is your girl, your sister, your love, your one and only sister, every media. If you never subscribe to my channel, try and subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you for everything you guys are doing for me. Thank you for everything you guys are doing. You're trying so much for me. More blessings to your family, more blessings to your business, more blessings whatever you're looking for. You get it in Jesus' name. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone that is watching me. Thank you guys. Today I bring the problem that is disturbing my head. I just want to talk about the people, women, women. There's some certain things we need to learn. We need to learn. We don't pass all these things now. And this one, end time, you have to change all those kind of character. Killing your husband because of what? Boyfriend killing girlfriend, girlfriend killing boyfriend. Women, there's some things we need to change. No matter if anyone never tell us, we have to change for all those kind of things. You're killing your husband because of what? Instead you divorce the man. Instead that you kill the man, the blood of the man will be in your hand. You leave the man. You leave the man, you stay your own. I know that some women, they don't like that kind of disgrace to divorce in their husband. But what are you going to do? You don't need to kill your husband. You don't need to kill him. You understand? This life where you see now once, and now somebody became, now somebody husband. Instead they will be killing girls, killing women, killing. Oh, it's not good now. There's some certain things we need to change. Okay, as soon as they kill now, they kill the married one, they kill now. As soon as they kill their husband now, how una feel that those single boys, those single guys who want to get married, they are scared now to marry the single girls too. Eh? They are scared to marry the single girls too. There's some certain things you need to learn. If you're passing a lot in that marriage, you don't want to bear it again. Quit the marriage. Stay your own. Find something doing for yourself. It's not that you will kill the person. You will kill the person. There's video that I watched how many days ago. I just watched the video. The woman killed the husband. I think the husband is sleeping. He used a sharp cutlass and cut the man this thing. It's not good. There's some things. Okay, now you just take law in your hand, which is very, very wrong. You can leave the man, walk away, just go. Forget about the man. Okay? Girls more na change, women more na change now. There's some certain things we una be women now, not supposed to do all those kind of life. All those kind of life we una they live. You know good. Una change. Stop killing your husband. Stop using something cut your husband then. My sister, if you're tired for that marriage, if you're tired for that relationship, tell the man, let him go. Let him stay his own. Tell him you don't want again. If you don't want to hear, you can call his friends. You can call one of your friends. Tell him in front of him. Tell, please, I don't want this thing again. I just want it's over between us. If you cannot tell the man, or the man is disturbing you, tell him, I don't want you anymore. The man will wake up, you will have your peace. You will be okay. It's not that you just killing yourself, kill somebody. Okay, if as you kill him now, you are going to go prison. If you be said like jail, you're going to go prison. You think they will just leave you like that? Do you think so? Nobody will leave you like that. It's a 9 months. It's a woman like you. She carried her baby 9 months, born the baby. So you think their family will just leave you for their son? It's not possible now. It's not possible. So don't use your hand and take law in your hand now. It's not good. Eh? Walk away in that marriage. Tell the man that it's over. You don't want the man. Tell him that you don't want me again. You just want to be yourself. You want to stay alone. Even though you don't have anyone. It's not much that you have someone. You just stay. Tell him that you just want to be. You understand? So you don't have to be taking law in your hand. Women more than they change. As you're killing now, see the single boys, the single guys. They are there now. They want to get married. They are scared because of all those kind of character. But one day I'm going to talk about women, men, because men own self too much, their own dey their body. So another day I will talk about them too. So girls, women stop taking law in your hands. Leave the man, let the man go. You understand? And one day I will tell you why is the problem. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you a little bit about the thing I want to say. You know why all these things that happen? Number one, you don't know is your husband. You just see the man. If you say the man look cute, or na fine guy, you just say because na fine guy, or you get small money, or you just get money, you use because of longer truth of money, you go and marry the man. You don't know this man, is he your husband or not? You just rush, marry him because you want to marry. Some of us, our family push us to marry somebody that we don't want to marry. Some of us want to marry because of say you just like the way the guy is tall, or you just like the way the guy is handsome, you just like the way the guy is doing. You just want to marry. You don't know about the guy. This guy love me for real. You don't know some guys, they will pretend, they will tell you that they love you, they don't love you. And you don't know God, you don't even ask God, me and this man, you join together to get married. Me and this man join together to get married. I mean, this man just a friend. Let's do boyfriend and let him go. Sometimes you need to pray, women. Before I understand that if a man asks you on marriage of a thing, you have to ask, you pray to God, fast, if not some days, or tell God say that if this man is your own, let him show you sign. Before I think it's like that. You tell the man you want to think about it, and you pray about it. But this time around, because of longer truth of money, we women were doing mistake, go and marry somebody we don't supposed to marry. After is why all this killing is happening. It's why because of that, all this killing, women killing this one killing this one. The only women me are they hear. I never hear too much men, not just women are they hear. Because they don't ask, they just want to marry. You just want to marry. Because your family is disturbing you, rushing you, get married, you don't know there's no time. I know there's no time, but you don't have to do mistake. Do you see the mistake you women are doing? Is why you women are killing men. It's because of those mistakes you're killing men. You don't know this man, is he your husband? Or you just be outside chick, you just take you as a wife. And you think the man love you, get married to you. That time the man would be fire. The man will even have so many girlfriends outside. Because number one is not made for you, it's made for someone else. And that if he meets that his wife outside, that his wife will be in outside chick now. In real wife, and you not go use that real wife play for outside chick. You now that you marry in the house, because you're not original. God don't make you and the man together. He don't make you and the man to be together. You know, it's not your husband. You just married someone's husband. It's why I'm telling even the single girls, if you want to get married, anytime you're praying, tell God to give you your own. Don't give you another person's husband. But because if you take another person's husband, is what is calling this ending about killing a man, about this one killing each other, this one killing each other. So those kind of things. Quarreling every day, fighting every day, because it's not your man, it's not yours. When you see somebody that will be your own, your husband, your bone to bone and your blood, that God joined you and the man together, when you see him, it's not somebody will tell you, you will know. You understand? You will know that this one is my husband. You just don't get married because of people are forcing you. Don't get married because of you're rushing somewhere. My sister, you better cool down to get married. That you will marry, you will regret why you married. You will not have peace. You will not get rest of mind. Every time problem from one problem to another. Because there's no love there. The man don't love you. He's supposed to be his girlfriend and leave him. He will go and get his wife. Because there's somebody God make the man to be together. His own blood, his own bone to bone. You girls are making a mistake. don't please somebody. Don't just please your family because you want to go and marry. You please your family, you will get fast marriage. After it's why you see divorce, different places. Because you don't know your husband. You don't even ask God, this man, is he my man? Is he my own husband? Before you get married, you just want to get married, you just want to go, you just want to leave your family. After you see problem, fighting every day, quarreling every minute. Not in marriage, there's no quarrel. There's quarrel, but there's quarrel that you guys will quarrel, you just settle, nobody will hear about it. But if there's one some fighting, nagging, you will know that this one is not your husband. It don't mean for you. Sometimes devil will come up, but when you see your husband, you know the man won't be doing the way all this one that clean will happen. No. The man will not do like that. You people will get problem, get quarrel, but it will not be so strong, like it will not be so hard like that. You people will just settle under 1 minute. You will settle because it's your own blood and it's your love. It's your own blood from God. So stop doing all these things you women are doing. Stop all this killing. If single girls, if you want to get married, ask God, is it this man, is he your man? Don't marry because of this man gets money. Or don't marry because of this man they handsome. If I want to take him with my go out, and me and him go out, the people will, or my friends will be looking at me. Don't marry because of all those things. Let the man, if you like, make the man walk like a monkey. Man na man. You understand? As far as the man give you joy, as far as the man give you happiness, na it matter. It's what I believe. Oh. You see those ones that are handsome and do everything, but they will be tied at the house. They don't like problem. So put your head down, women. Know what you're supposed to do. If you're not married, respect yourself, women. Respect yourself. Don't go and do a mistake, and don't look because of money want to get married for a guy. Love that person natural and ask God, is it this man, is he my husband? Is it my blood? Is it my bone to bone? Before you get married, don't just rush. It's why we are doing mistake, killing everywhere. Okay, guys, change is only change. If you are listening to me, if you come across my video, just cool down and listen to my video. Ask God, this man, is he your husband? And God will provide the man that you want. For the ones that are already married, my sister, just be careful. Instead that you kill the man, your husband, walk away in that marriage. Be yourself, just walk away. Find something doing yourself. Okay? God loves you guys. It's your girl, your sister, your love. Subscribe to my channel. More blessing, more happiness to you. I love you all. Subscribe and share. And drop your comment down below. Love you guys. Bye.